Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have the great Google Pixel 9 Pro XL with a cracked display. Let's go fix it. So this Google Pixel 9 Pro XL is quite brand new, to be honest, and without any phone case, if you drop it, it's guaranteed to break. And we can see in the corner there, the smartphone itself is very usable, but it's an eyesore to look at the cracked display, and it's understandable from a user point of view. I can live with it. You know, I can just put a tempered glass on top of the broken glass. It's not really a professional advice, but you can still live with it. You also buy a tough phone case. And this is one of the latest Google Pixel smartphones, and it's a Pro and it's extra large. That's why it's XL. And like previous generations of the Google Pixel smartphones, it opens from the front, so we remove the display itself so we can go into the internal components, slice through the adhesive here slowly so we don't damage anything underneath. We will not be reusing the display, obviously, so we will put this for recycling. And the adhesive on this one is very tough. It took us a bit of an hour to safely detach the display. And after a few sprays of IPA, it's now open. The connector for the display is on a different position. You have it on the corner here. Unlike other Google Pixel smartphones, it's in the middle. But you still had to hold on to it in a 90-degree angle, remove this latch or a locking bracket, and then detach the display connector. You can see there, yep, more damage has been done to the display. And no need for us to continue using this one. And I believe we haven't shown in this video the transfer of the fingerprint scanner. I believe this is still the same on this one, and David has not yet shot the transfer or the transplant of the fingerprint scanner from the old display to the new one. And you can see now on the left side of the screen we have the replacement display, and we'll test it. We'll push it in for now. It's quite tough. It's a very heavy-duty connector. And we'll turn it on. And the Google Pixel smartphones look like iPhones now, or look like Samsung Galaxy smartphones, I believe. Now the phone designs in general from different manufacturers are becoming boring. It's quite the same. And yeah, it's boring. You can see the edge of this Google Pixel is like an iPhone 16 or an S24, and I don't like this design. Personally, if you like it, then go. We'll test the fingerprint scanner. There you go. It's still working. But later on, we encountered an issue with the fingerprint scanner, and I'm not gonna spoil it at this point. Put back the SIM card tray while the phone is shutting down. And of course, we'll prep the housing and the replacement display with our new layer of adhesive. And we'll reverse the process. Our own liquid adhesive around the display, around the inside of the housing. I mean, go, just enough so you can hold on to the new display. Of course, we are gonna make sure that the front camera is clean. And I believe this is not gonna be rated for any waterproofing or anything, so it's not anywhere factory adhesive, and we can't guarantee that it's gonna be waterproof. It's just enough so you can use your smartphone as intended. Just don't take it underwater or in the shower. There you go. Position it and then press it in. So if you have a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL that needs a new display, if you have older Google Pixel smartphones that needs new display or needs a new battery, you can go to Sydney CBD Repair Centre, or you can mail in your broken smartphone to us. We will accept it and fix it here in the shop, and once we're done with it, we will send it back to you. And this is where our problem has surfaced. This is not a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL tempered glass. This is for an iPhone, and it's quite thick, very heavy duty tempered glass, and David has the foresight to test a fingerprint scanner if it works with the tempered glass, and there you go. Yep, it doesn't work with the tempered glass, so we will replace it with just a plastic cover. And this is unfortunate, and it's quite educational. So if you have a Google Pixel 9 Pro and you want a tempered glass, make sure this is for a Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. If it's an extra thick tempered glass, it's gonna block your access to your fingerprint scanner, and it will not work. This is a very thin plastic cover. Still gonna protect your device from scratches. There you go. We'll peel it off. Doesn't even look like it's got any cover. So like and subscribe, guys, if you want more videos like this one. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube, and we'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.